how to fix Valorant client error easy and quick. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. First, just type here services, and now scroll down. Scroll until you find here VGC, right click on it and then click properties, and after that you will find here automatic. You will find it like that, then make it automatic, and now click apply and OK. Now close this window. After that, type here task manager and go to startup. Now all you need to do, just make sure Vanguard train notification is enabled. You will find it like that, disabled, and make it enabled, and that's it. Then just restart your PC, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.